In this demonstration, we are using a partially assembled loudspeaker. Occasionally, the installer may be required to mount the driver to the grill, but this loudspeaker has a potentiometer mounted to the front that is used to independently adjust the volume. As you can see, we have laid out the necessary parts in front of us: a back can, a tile support or bridge, the driver and grill, and our tile that has been removed from the ceiling. Here we have located the center of the tile and are using the tile bridge as a template for cutting our hole. Remember to do this on the front side of the tile. You can refer to the pre-assembled drop tile video for a demonstration of what happens when these tiles are cut from the back. Some tile bridges have circular holes and others are square. The bridge that is used mostly depends upon the requirements of the back can. Be careful with these as they can quickly cut through a person's hand. Using a keyhole saw or similar cutting tool, cut out the traced hole. Next, we are going to prepare our loudspeaker for assembly by identifying the desired wire we need for the specified tap setting. All other unused wires must have the exposed leads clipped and electrically secured from coming in contact with each other or any other electrically conductive material. Here the leads are being cable tied to the frame of the driver. Leads can also be individually isolated with electrical tape on each wire. Since we are using a back can, the Tinnerman nuts on the tile support must be removed. This will allow the screw to penetrate through the tile support into the back can. Remove a knockout and insert a wire grommet to protect the cable. Line up the holes of the tile bridge with the Tinnerman nuts in the back can. Set the tile in place and insert the speaker assembly so that the leads stick outside of the can. You may need to extend the leads to accomplish this. Then simply screw the grill to the back can, being careful not to over-tighten the screws. These grills are very easy to dimple. Strip and terminate the conductors with crimp-type terminals. Tying the conductors together with a cable tie provides a strain relief for the termination. Carefully raise the assembly into the ceiling and drop into place. Remember to make sure that no fingerprints remain on the grill when you are complete.